In this video, we are going to learn about text formatting elements in HTML. Here, one file I have created, but still I have not written any program in this file. So here is what tag will come, document type HTML file come. Close this, and here is what HTML tag, and here is what end of HTML tag. Okay, here is what tag and head of HTML tag, and in this title tag. Okay, for title tag, text formatting elements I will write. Here is what title tag, and here you are closing head tag. Okay, next one, body tag will come, body tag, and whatever content you want to display on web page, that should be in between these body tag. Here some tags I have taken in one file. You can see, observe here. Here first, bold and B tag. B tag is called as a bold tag, and strong. These two tags are used to make text heavier, or else you can say it as a bold. Next one, I tag is considered as a italic, and EM tag is considered as a emphasized text. I tag and EM tag both are used to make text slant, means to make text italic. And this is the subscript, and this is the superscript. Subscript means if you want to write any text below any specific text, that time you can use this subscript. And whatever text you have written within this subscript, open and closing subscript, that will go below specific text. So next one is superscript, and you can write power of something by using this superscript. Whatever text you have written within this super opening tag and closing tag, that text will go above a specific text. Next one, small, it is to decrease size of a text. Next one, mark is to highlight the text. Next one, INS, insert, and U is to underline the text. These INS, insert, and U, underline, both are used for the same purpose, means both will help to underline the text. Next one, DEL. DEL means delete. S means strike. Both are used for the same purpose. Delete and strike, both are helps to strike out the text. These all tags we are going to use in this program. Let's learn these all tags practically. First tag is what? B tag. B, and B is to bold the text. Close the B tag, and here is what? Next tag is what? Strong. Strong, and here is what? Strong tag. Okay, next one, here is what? Close of the strong tag. Okay, next I tag. I is to italic the text, and end of the I tag. Okay, italic. Next tag is EM tag. Okay, EM, emphasize text. Okay, next one, end of the EM tag. Here I am going to write 10th standard. 10 I am going to write. TH I want to write above 10. Then here I am going to use super and small th. 10th standard I am going to write, and here is the end of super tag. Okay, next one, subscript. Here is what? Subscript means something I am going to write below any specific text. H2 O I am going to write. 2 I need to write below H. So here is what? sub and 2, close the subscript tag, and then here is what? O. Enter, and then small tag, HTML program. Okay, next close the small tag, mark HTML means I am going to highlight the text HTML. Okay, next one, here is what? Hello HTML. For HTML, I want to underline the text. So INS, and here is what? HTML, and here is what? End of INS. Insert. Okay. Here also the same thing I am doing. Say hello. Okay. Space and U. Okay. Small letter I am writing HTML because it can identify the difference. And end of the U tag. DEL and HTML means I am striking the text HTML here. And here is what? S tag, and the same thing, both will work in the same way. Here also it will strike the text. Save the program. Okay. Format.html. Now we can see our program is ready. So we can run the program now. First we need to save the program and click on run to run a program under Chrome browser. I am going to run this program under Chrome browser. Okay. Now we can see here my program is running, means whatever statement I have written in between these tags, that everything is displaying in a same line. So for after finishing every line, you need to use break tag here. So I'm copying this, I'm pasting after every line. This break is to break the lines. And now no need to run it again, just you need to refresh the program. Here we can observe first bold whatever text we have written in this B tag, that is bold here. Next strong, the text is also displaying in a bold. Next one italic and EM, both text is like slant here. Next one 10th TH we have written in a superscript, so this TH is going above this 10. Next one H2O we have written here, so 2 we have written in between subscript, so this 2 is coming below H here. Okay. Next one small, you can make out a difference here. This size of this text is little small compared to all other text here, means it will decrease the size of the text. Next one mark, marks whatever text we have written within this mark element, that is highlighting here. Okay. Next one insert and U, HTML and HTML, both text are underlined here. Insert and U is to underline the text. Next one delete and strike, whatever text you have written in between these delete and strike, that both text is displaying, strike out here. I hope you all understood what are the different text formatting elements you will get in HTML. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.